Hey guys, we're here in Food Network Studios, and today we are living out probably my biggest dream.
Yeah.
And we are trying every single cheesecake from the best restaurant on earth, the Cheesecake Factory. Okay, what is your go-to order at the Cheesecake Factory?
But always get the carrot cake cheesecake.
The key lime pie cheesecake. Key lime pie is my favorite dessert of all time. Well, let's start with what we have on our beautiful cake stand here.
The pedestal.
But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to Food Network down below. Now, do you go for a top bite or a crust bite?
Oh, I normally go like the tip, and then I work my way to the crust because I like the crust the best, so I like to save it for the end.
See, I like the crust the best, so I want to eat it first.
All right, so you can take the end. And, oh my God.
I should really limit the bites.
Come on. Anybody that says that Cheesecake Factory is crap, you're a bull-faced
You've obviously
liar.
never been.
It's so creamy.
It's light, it's airy.
Oh, what a way to start.
It's like velvet. I'm so excited.
I'm so excited.
Okay, just go ahead, take the first bite. Like,
really?
Yes, do it.
Oh my God, I'm honored. I think I'm gonna take a little bit of whatever this cream is. I'm gonna. Wow! You did not disappoint. It's so limey. It's not too sweet.
Oh my God, it's so
It's
limey.
really
it's
good.
So
It doesn't even really taste like a cheesecake.
No, exactly. It just tastes like the best key lime pie you've ever had. It tastes to me like an orange creamsicle or a peach creamsicle.
It looks like now there's like a chocolate cakey bottom, some sort of chocolate cheesecake, an Oreo cheesecake, then some Oreo cream,
Yes,
and then chocolate.
some cookies and cream.
Oh, that's so good.
Oh my Lord.
The coffee's a little bit bitter. It's okay.
Unexciting.
Ooh, I'm picturing this tasting like one of my favorite little chocolate candy balls.
Gold wrapper.
Gold wrapper, hazelnut
For
in the
fancy
middle.
people.
Yeah.
Here it looks like we have a lot of chocolate drizzle, frosting on the top, a marbled cheesecake of sorts
some sort of
in
like
the center.
hazelnut crunch on top of the cheesecake. It tastes like that candy. It's this. It's
This
like
layer
melted version of that candy.
Is like little Crispies coated with like enrobed in chocolate.
This is good.
This is a textural experience. I also don't really like chocolate flavored cheesecake, so
I don't like chocolate mousse that much. No.
that's rich.
Celebrate good.
Come on!
I'm nervous it's gonna disappoint me because I love funfetti so much. I don't like
Nope,
it at all.
I hate it. It tastes very fruity. I think this is for the kiddies.
You know, we tried to get this cheesecake to stand up like at least 5 times, so the fact that it needs to lay down, just everyone visualize how heavy this is. The cake is delicious.
It's really
moist.
good.
The cake to cheesecake ratio is even.
It's a great cake. I just think it could be 2 layers shorter. But you know what? The Cheesecake Factory is luxury. So when you go, you know you're getting a fine dining
Decadent experience. Nobody wants a wimpy cheesecake.
Nope.
This ganache layer is a lot. This jelly thing is not good. It also is cherry flavored.
Oh my God, that's really sweet.
I hate it. It tastes like perfume. The mousse is delicious. It's just not for me.
Oh my God. Oh my God, can you even get your fork through it? You could stick a knife in. You need a steak knife for that one. What is with the chocolate flavored cheesecake? Like that is not for me. This one is gorgeous, but I actually refuse to eat a banana.
I love that. That tastes like banana pudding. Bravo, Cheesecake Factory. That's delicious.
The banana flavor is very natural.
Natural, yes.
And it's very easy to go overboard with banana flavor. Dun, dun,
This is my
dun,
favorite.
dun. Tell me about it.
And you just need to, I don't even want to ruin it for you. I don't want to hype it up. I need you to take the first bite.
The carrot cake is phenomenal.
It's so good.
I really like a chunky carrot cake, and that's what this is.
And then they have chunks on top of the nuts and the raisins.
I just had a bite of the carrot cake, and it's not too sweet, which is key because the cheesecake is very sweet and the frosting is very sweet.
If I had to eat one dessert for the rest of my life, I'd do that.
Who is Adam?
Who's Adam? Who's Craig?
Adam?
Craig made the carrot cake. I don't like peanut butter.
I'm obsessed with peanut butter. Again, this is like a 1-biter. You cannot go farther than 1 bite. It just tastes like normal cheesecake. Not a fan. Look at this drizzle.
I love raspberries. I like lemon. It's tart. It's sweet. It's like refreshing.
It's very refreshing. That was a nice palate cleanser.
I don't like it at all.
Okay, next.
Somebody were to propose to me, at Cheesecake Factory, I picture him sticking the ring in this on Valentine's Day because it's like pink and he
If
thinks that
anyone
it's cute.
in the future is planning on proposing to me at the Cheesecake Factory, 1, great idea. 2, if the ring is not in key lime pie cheesecake,
Carrot cake.
get out.
I hate that.
What is with these
so
dense
much.
cheesecakes?
Nice layers of cheesecake and cake, which I appreciate. And there's
Mm-hmm.
like a good like cinnamon swirl top, which I really like. Oh my God, it's so good.
Holy crap.
If Cinnabon,
This is a breakfast I can get down with.
if Cinnabon and cheesecake had a baby, it's this.
This is added to my roster of cheesecakes.
Ooh, I love that. I see ladyfingers. I see like a very light sponge. That tastes like that one.
Yeah, I'm not a fan of the lemon flavored cheesecake
Mm-hmm.
actually, which is surprising considering how much I love the key lime pie. But
This
it's
is
just
delicious.
not as good.
I disagree. This sponge is light, it's airy, it's fluffy, it's not like as dense and thick. The strawberry really lightens it up.
Everything in it. Definitely not salty.
They should have sprinkled a little like sea salt on top.
Flaky sea salt?
It would have maybe brought it together. It's good. It's just very, very, very caramelly. What one surprised you that you liked that you didn't think you were gonna like?
I think the most surprising one for me was probably the raspberry one, just
Yeah.
because I usually I'm not a fan of fruit and desserts.
That one was good. But now I know which ones I like. I would definitely
Yeah.
get that one again. I definitely get the limoncello one, the cinnamon roll
cinnamon
one,
one.
the key lime one.
This was a dream come true.
We're
and
blessed.
Cheesecake Factory, thank you so much for being so creative and inspiring and groundbreaking with your desserts. What's your favorite cheesecake from the Cheesecake Factory? Let us know in the comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe to Food Network. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.